Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys.
Deep within the towering labyrinth of the Great Garbage Heap, an epic rescue was about to begin.
Another day, another pile to clear. There's no mess too big for me.
Oh, help! I'm stuck! This mystery sludge is ruining my paint job!
Wait! Did I hear someone calling for help near the sticky trap? Oh no! Flash! You're really stuck deep in those VHS tapes!
The industrial strength adhesive was like hardened sap, holding the racer tight.
I can't be stuck! I'm the fastest car in the world! Get it off me! Slow down, racer. That resin is stickier than a melted lollipop in July. You'll need a steady hand, Buster. Dusty's right. You'll need more than just wheels to pull him out of that mess, Buster. Use your arms. Don't worry, Flash. Buster the garbage truck is here to save the day. Hold on tight. Hold on tight, Flash. I've got ya.
Oh no! It's like giant chewing gum! I'm stuck! I'm really stuck!
Slow and steady, Buster. That tape is tougher than it looks. Double the trucks, double the power. Let's do this! Watch out! The heap is shifting! We have to move now! Buster used every bit of his emerald green engine power. It's not working! I'm still stuck! Faster, Buster! Faster! I hear it snapping. Just a little more. Give it everything you've got. Now! I'm moving! I'm actually moving! You did it! Hold on, Flash. One more big pull and there! I'm free! I'm actually free! Look at me go! But the mountain of trash wasn't done with them yet. Watch out, Barnaby! I'll hold it! Get the others out! I've got your back, Buster! We stand together! Go, little racer! Through my chute! It's the only way out! Follow me! I see the sunlight! We're almost there! Great job, team! No car left behind and everyone is safe.
You're a real hero, Buster. Even if I'm still a little bit sticky.
And narration. And so, Buster the garbage truck saved the day.